It's a good toss to win. The really respective teams. Loud cheer from the crowd. First ball of the innings.
That's 6. He picked up the length very early.
Off the line, he bowls to this field.
Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery.
Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up. All the way where the next one is going to fly. Got the elevation right. This is first ball. He has hammered that. And that sails into the crowd for a 6. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant.
That is 6. That is just magnificent. There is a fielder at deep extra cover. That has made some serious damage. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Got the elevation. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful 6.
Exquisite timing on that. A very well-deserved boundary there.
Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy.
Not a good shot. The field was set up.
Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. It's nicely timed. Will only get 1 though. He's calling for 2. From the other end. They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for 2. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one.
Strokes it into the gap for a single.
Running. And getting ready to face his first ball. Got the elevation. Careful of the line he bowls to this field. Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into where the next one is going. Got the elevation right.
From his favorite end.
Oh, hat-trick comes to a close. The target gets in hand would be vital. Great shot. He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it. Crowd going mad here. On the last one. Go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy.
Edged and taken. Has to walk back.
Got the elevation of the line he bowls to this field. Pacer in. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. They have run the first one quick. On the last one. Pacer introduced from the other end.
Yes, sir.
That's gone high in the air, and that's gonna clear the boundary for a six. Off the line, he bowls to this field. That is a very quick signal taken. Plays and misses.
And he helps himself to a 6. Change in the bowling.
That's a nasty delivery. Must have hurt.
The ball was not quite there for that shot. Straight up in the air, and that's a 6. Missed.
Got the...
In the air, this is 6. It's a magnificent strike.
He is going to fly.
That's 6. He picked up the length very early.
At this stage of the match.
Strokes it into the gap for a single. Nudges it for a single.
Field. Missed that completely.